Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a Google account and a valid payment method so ads can run immediately. Once done, add your business details and link the website. This ensures ad destination and verification are correct. Make a quick budget decision now, daily cap, and whether you want manual CPC or an automated goal-based strategy. This shapes bidding behavior. Doing these steps up front prevents stalls later and lets you move straight into campaign creation without payment or verification delays. Next, create your campaign by selecting the type that matches your goal. Search for intent, display for reach, video for awareness, or performance max for mixed automation. Then set targeting. Narrow locations, languages, demographics, and custom audiences so your budget hits the right people. Build a keyword list and add negative keywords to cut wasted spend. Schedule ads to run when conversions are likely. Make sure bids and bid adjustments reflect device and time insights so your ads show to the most valuable users. Finally, review every ad asset, extension, and the final URL, then launch the campaign. This prevents broken links or policy flags. Once live, monitor CTR, CPC, conversion rate, and ROAS daily at first, then adjust bids and creative weekly. If things go wrong, check for common issues. Ad disapprovals, billing holds, or low-quality scores that mute delivery. Address those directly and resubmit. Make incremental changes, and let each update run several days so data stabilizes before making further optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.